Hey team, welcome back. Today we're reading passage Q, the piano, from the third text in the Simple Comprehension series. The pianist tapped each key on the piano. The notes started slowly, then came faster, rising high before falling low. The audience sat in silence. They had come to hear music. The pianist was telling a story. First one tear, then many, formed in the eyes of the audience, not stopping until the story was finished. Questions. What is happening? Is the pianist good? How do you know that? How did the audience react? State 2 ways the pianist plays music. The audience is described as doing 2 things. What are they? Now let's check the answers. What is happening? A pianist is playing the piano in front of an audience. We know that as it talks about the pianist in the first sentence, and of course it mentions the audience later. Is the pianist good? How do you know that? Yes, they are good, and we know this because the audience began to cry. We could also say the audience became emotional as a result of the pianist's music. How did the audience react? The audience stayed silent and began to cry. 2 actions there. State 2 ways the pianist plays music. Quite a few ways are mentioned here. We could say slowly, says here, quickly, here, high, low, mentions that here. We could also say by tapping each key, mentions that here. Or we could say by telling a story through music. All of those are good answers. You just need 2 of them. The audience is described as doing 2 things. And what are they? Sitting in silence. It says so there. Having tears form in their eyes. It says so here. Or we could just present that answer as crying. Thank you for your time. How did you go?